Hi Voxapod, I see you on Amazon, but are you the brand that customers click or the one they skip? Let's take a closer look for your product, which is the Menstrual Cup. First, congrats on making it to Amazon. I know how tricky Amazon's policies can be, so achieving this is a job well done. I'm Kim, I'm a business development representative from My Amazon Guy, and in this video, I'll be covering tips to improve your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. First, let's talk about traffic. What really drives traffic to your listings comes down to your keywords. Using our tool and looking at your distribution here, I could see you are organically indexing for 200 keywords. However, you are not supporting that with any paid keywords, which means that you're likely leaving money on the table because this can be done profitably if you know what keywords to look out for. And there are actually thousands of additional keywords that you could be indexing here. You can also check out this word cloud here. These are the most important keyword for your listing. And down here, you will find your highest search keyword in your own category. Right now, we're looking at the biggest traffic opportunities for your product. So for this keyword phrase, which is menstrual cups with 25,000 searches, you are organically ranking here at 191. What that means is that customers have to scroll through over 191 listings plus sponsored ads before they can find your product. And this is limiting your exposure here because you're buried deep in the search results. For this other keyword phrase, which is feminine care with 27,000 searches, you can see here that you are not indexing here at all. What that means is that whenever a customer searches for this keyword phrase, you are not being seen here at all. And this is such a missed opportunity for you because imagine the increase in sales if customers can find you using the keyword phrase right over here. Now, we can help you with your keywords here. We can help you push these rankings up, ideally into a single digit number, because that is where buyers click and that is where the sales happen. Now, let me show you how big your category is in Amazon. This is just in the top 50 listing for one keyword phrase, which is menstrual cups. And as you can see, there is a total revenue of $3.9 million per month, and top sellers are averaging around $74,000 per month. Now, I can see that you are not getting your fair share over here. There's still plenty of market share that you could tap into, and we can help grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. We also reviewed one of your top competitors here. This is the Echo Blossom Reusable Menstrual Cup. And just a disclaimer, we are not comparing products directly. I know that there are differences when it comes to price and positioning. What we're reviewing is their keyword strategy. So they sold over 4,000 units and have generated $77,000 in sales. The difference comes down to their visibility, and looking at their distribution here, you will find that they are indexing for a much higher amount of keywords. They are also supporting that with paid keywords. This is the reason why they had a very good outcome in Amazon. As you can see, the more keywords that you use equals the more visibility that you have in Amazon, and ultimately more sales for your product. Now, moving on to your product detail page, the look of your page will strongly affect your conversion rate. Good job on your title and your bullet points over here. Don't forget to update it regularly as SEOs are not set and forget. Your image tag, you do have your six images. Okay, you also have infographics and demographics and videos. This is good. This will definitely help boost your visibility as well. Let's go down here below to your A plus content. All right, good job utilizing large eye-catching images here. Very beautiful images. You also have your brand story. Good job as well. Let's see if you've utilized your alt text. All right, you did. For your alt text, the tip that I can give you here is that you should add misspellings or Spanish terms, as these techniques are proven to help boost your visibility as well in Amazon. Now, those are just a few tips that I can share with you for today. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to book a free consultation using the book a call button at the end of the video, and you'll get to speak with an Amazon expert. My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So, whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data back driven strategies that deliver real results for you.